So good morning, everyone. Thank you for being here today. My name is Ariane Augier. I am the Executive Director of the French-American Chamber of Commerce of the Pacific Northwest and France Education Northwest. Welcome to French Fest, a celebration of French-speaking cultures.
Thank you so much, Ariane, for all your hard work and dedication to making French Fest happen this year. Good morning, everyone. My name is Didier Poirier. I'm the president of FEN and France Education Northwest. And France Education Northwest is defined by FEN is a 501c3 nonprofit organization originally founded by people involved in the French-American Chamber of Commerce of the Pacific Northwest. FEN aims to familiarize the people in our region, and especially youth, with the diversity and the richness of several aspects of French heritage, including education, culture, and of course, cooking. Today, we celebrate the 9th edition of Seattle French Fest. The festival is part of Seattle Center Festal, cultural and event series that celebrate a diversity of traditions, ideas, dialect, and more than compromises Francophone culture from around the world. French Fest is organized by FEN with the support of Seattle Center American and the French-American Chamber of Commerce of the Pacific Northwest, in partnership with the Consulate General of France in San Francisco, the Consulate General of Canada in Seattle, and the Swiss Honorary Consulate in Seattle. Thank you so much for all our partners and sponsors. French Fest will not be possible without all of your generosity and support. And now we are happy to welcome a very, very talented actor and writer, Frédéric Chouanière, as a Master of Ceremony. It's for you, Frédéric, now on.
Merci beaucoup Didier, merci Ariane. Bonjour à tous, très heureux de vous retrouver pour célébrer la francophonie et les diverses cultures qui sont unies par la langue française. It is my pleasure to be your MC for what is officially known as the 2021 Seattle's French Fest, although I'd like to refer to it as the 2020 2.0 Seattle's French Fest, as we were unable to meet last year, as we all know. 2.0 because it's also online that we gather today. And let me tell you this, it might be a virtual event, but I can assure you that there's nothing virtual about the time and the work dedicated to organizing this event by Ariane and by Didier, first and foremost, as well by all our partners in today's program. Bringing this event online also means something very interesting because for the first time, we're opening the Seattle's French Fest to a worldwide audience, at least technically speaking, it's possible now. We are going across different time zones. I am, for example, talking to you live from Montreal, Quebec, Canada. Not that I wouldn't like to be with you on the West Coast, obviously. I miss traveling to the US, especially right now. Without any further ado, I would like to pass the virtual microphone to our dignitaries for the official opening of the French Fest. J'inviterai maintenant nos invités de marque à prononcer quelques mots pour lancer officiellement les festivités. On va débuter. We will start with Frédéric Young, General Consul, of France in San Francisco, Consul général de France à San Francisco. Monsieur Young, c'est à vous.
Merci beaucoup Frédéric. Bonjour à tous et bienvenue donc à cette 9e édition du Seattle French Fest. I'm very honored to be part of this opening of a 9th edition of a French Fest, which will feature culture, literature, education, business issues, and food, of course. I've been posted here on the West Coast only in August as Consul General, but I do know what the French Fest does mean to Seattle. I therefore understand how disappointing it must have been to cancel the event last year. But what a great initiative to have been able to actually organize it online this year. And I'm confident that next year we'll be able to celebrate properly in person. I want to thank French Education Northwest for organizing this French Fest with the support of the French-American Chamber of Commerce of the Pacific Northwest, Seattle Center Festal also, and the city of Seattle. Thank you also to the Consul General of Canada and the Honorary Consul of Switzerland in Seattle to be part of this fest today. As we just marked yesterday, la Journée Internationale de la Francophonie, the International Francophonie Day. Just yesterday, this participation of Canada and Switzerland does remind us that Francophonie, just like the French Fest, is not about France. It is about French-speaking cultures. As regards France, we are not as close actually to Seattle as Canada, but we try to be. But as regards France, as I was saying, we have out of the 150,000 French citizens that are registered in the US, it's actually the second diaspora abroad after Switzerland. A good chunk of these French are actually located in the Pacific Northwest. We have about 30,000 French citizens registered in San Francisco, and quite a big chunk of them are actually registered in Washington and in Seattle. So there is a thriving French presence here, which plays its part in upholding the French-speaking culture. And I'm very impressed, I have to say, by the number of bilingual schools in Washington State, whether or not they have a partnership with the French Agency for Education Abroad. And I'm glad that 4 of these schools will be able today to make a presentation about their work, their tremendous work that they're doing. France is also an important economic actor here. We just released an economic report for 2020, and it is not less than 12,200 jobs in Washington State that do rely on French companies. France is actually ranked number 5 for job creations by foreign companies in the Evergreen states. 1.1 billion euros are traded between Washington State and France every year, especially, as you can guess, for transportation goods, electronics, and chemicals. But besides that, the French presence is also, of course, bakeries, restaurants, and stores that incarnate the French culture in Washington State. And in order to make it easier for you to find these places, the French consulate, in partnership with a company called Mapster, launched an interactive map to highlight all French places in Northwestern California and the Pacific Northwest. Don't hesitate to download this Mapster app, to subscribe to this app, and to add your French places to this map. At this stage, we've flagged not less than almost 300 French places in the region. Finally, allow me to congratulate the Seattle-Nantes Sister City Association, which just celebrated 40 years of friendship between Seattle and Nantes. Thank you so much for your attention. I hope to see you very soon in person at Seattle's French Fest 2022. Have a great fest. À très bientôt. Merci beaucoup.
Merci à vous, Frédéric Young. J'aimerais maintenant passer la parole à Brandon Lee, le consul général du Canada à Seattle. Brandon Lee, Consul General of Canada in Seattle.
Thank you very much. Merci beaucoup. C'est un vrai plaisir d'être parmi vous ce matin pour cette nouvelle édition de French Fest. I am Brandon Lee, Canada's Consul General to the Pacific Northwest and Alaska, and I'm here just outside of Seattle on the Duwamish and Suquamish territories. And echoing Consul General Jung, thanks to all of the great organizers and the Consulate General of France and our Honorary Consul of Switzerland today. And I'm very pleased to see that Canada is well represented throughout the day, from our excellent MC, Monsieur Chouinière, to all of our guest speakers. And as you may know, French and English are the 2 official languages of Canada. But did you know that 1 in 4 Canadians has French as a first language? And I know that all of you will soon hear an excellent presentation about the province of Quebec, where French, of course, is omnipresent. But did you know that there are Francophone communities across all of Canada? For example, my home province of Ontario alone has over 500,000 Franco-Ontariens, and there are many communities such as les Acadiennes or les Franco-Manitobiennes, as well as First Nations such as les Abenaki or les Huron, who use French daily along with their own Indigenous languages. And so I really hope you enjoy the upcoming presentation by Dario Bosniak on Quebec. And if you or people you know are thinking of studying in Canada, whatever the province or the language of the university, I invite you to get in touch with my team who will be able to help with this transition. And in fact, we have Jérôme Pichela, the head of the trade and the education sector for the Consulate of Canada, on the line today. So please feel free to reach out to him for any education in Canada opportunities. And then finally, please make sure to follow the Canadian Consulate in Seattle on our social media. We have Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And to learn more about Canada and our special relationship with Seattle and the Pacific Northwest, all of our social media, of course, is on 2 channels, one in English and one in French. It's a good way for all of you de pratiquer votre français tous les jours. So thank you very much, and je vous souhaite à tous et toutes un excellent French Fest. Merci beaucoup.
Monsieur Lee, Conseil général du Canada, Seattle, merci beaucoup d'être avec nous aujourd'hui. And as Mr. Lee was saying, indeed, it's useful with the websites of Canadian government to compare English and French and to learn. That's how I started learning English, but with a cereal box that was printed in both languages. That's also another good way to improve on your daily vocabulary. Et maintenant, j'aimerais céder la parole à M. Philippe Gottschel, consul honoraire de la Suisse à Seattle, Honorary Consul of Switzerland in Seattle.
Merci Frédéric. Bonjour. Bonjour, chers francophones, chers Suisses français et chers amis de la langue et culture française. Switzerland has 4 national languages and French is number 2, right behind Swiss German. We have nearly 2 million French speakers in Switzerland. We hosted the Summit de la Francophonie in Montreux in 2010. Switzerland's focus within La Francophonie are democracy, youth participation and inclusion, peace and human rights, as well as the promotion of cultural and linguistic diversification. We have to, with 4 languages. Geneva has more UN employees than New York. Nestle, the International Red Cross, the Olympic Games Committee, CERN, the world's largest nuclear accelerator, and Logitech, all headquartered near Lausanne. The Swiss Federal Institute of Technology in Lausanne is rated the best non-English speaking university in the world. In addition, French Switzerland is the inventor of Swiss fondue, the Gruyere cheese and raclette. It's also the center of the Swiss watch and chocolate industry. Thank you very much for including Little Switzerland in this event, and enjoy the rest of the day. Thanks.
Monsieur Gottschel, merci beaucoup de votre présence parmi nous aujourd'hui. We are, of course, having this event virtually, but it's based in Seattle. And next is a word by Lisa Herbold, a council member of Seattle, who prepared a message for us. And I will ask Ariane to please play the video for us.
Hi, I'm Seattle City Council member Lisa Herbold, and I'm delighted to send greetings for the opening of French Fest 2021. Thank you to the French American Chamber of Commerce for inviting me. Seattle has so many connections with partners in France, but today I'm pleased to highlight our sister city relationship with Nantes. As last year marked the 40th anniversary of this important relationship, several projects to mark that milestone are now underway. One of them is an exciting project in my district at Nantes Park in West Seattle. Our sister city association, in partnership with the City of Nantes, the Admiral Neighborhood Association, the Seattle Department of Neighborhoods, and the West Seattle Garden Tour, have been working hard for several years to renovate Nantes Park and to weave the work of French artist Claude Ponty into the character of the park. Later this month, a meeting will be held to obtain community input into the designs being considered for the renovation. I hope you will join me in this process and learn more about our sister city connections in doing so. Last year, I met virtually with Deputy Mayor of International Affairs in Nantes to discuss our common interests, including transportation issues and participatory budgeting. I look forward to continuing the conversation with our French partners to learn from each other. I hope to see you in person at Nantes Park one day. Please enjoy all that French Fest has to offer.